Okay, so this is the version of King of the Hill, but it's the Christmas version, Santa on the Hill. If you don't know what King of the Hill is, it's in the description below. Okay, so let's begin.
Okay.
So you can be Santa.
I am Santa.
Yes.
I'm Santa. Okay.
And you have your elves, and they have to bow to you.
Elves.
So say, bow to me.
Bow to me.
Okay. So,
Cool.
a question.
Does Santa have black boots?
Does Santa have... Don't look! Don't look!
Okay. I can't look.
No.
Okay. Santa has black boots. Yes.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's right.
Okay. Is Santa under the tree?
Yes. Santa is under the tree.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes?
Is Santa on the sleigh?
No. Yes. Santa is on the sleigh.
Is he on the sleigh?
No.
No, he's not. He is in the sleigh.
Oh.
Sleigh.
So,
Yes.
it's not you.
It's me.
So,
me.
you are Santa.
Thank you.
So you can say, I am Santa.
I am Santa.
And elves bow to
Elves
me.
bow to me.
I bow to you.
Yes.
Okay, a question.
Does Santa have a white beard?
Yes. Santa has a white beard.
Is it right?
Yes. Okay. Is Santa on the rooftop?
No. Santa is in the rooftop.
Is it right?
No, Santa is on the rooftop. On the
So-
rooftop.
Our next Santa. Here you go.
It's me. I love being Santa. Bow to Santa. Perfect.
Okay.
Hey, thanks everyone. Christmas special, Santa on the Hill. And don't forget, the King of the Hill regular version is in the description. Thanks a lot, and once again,
Merry
Christmas. Bye.